With glow tips, glow chat, glow fun. Knowing to whom we belong. We grow in beauty, wiser and strong. Glow up and see who you can be. Glow up.
Hi Glow Getters, welcome to the Glow Up, where we empower you to glow up in your everyday life. Subscribe for a new video every week. Okay, so today's glow tip video is just start already. Easier said than done, trust me, I know, but you need to just start. Start with what you have. Start right now. Do not wait until next year. Do not wait until next month. Do not wait until next week. Start this moment. Start right now. If it is something that you really want to do, just start. So many times we wait until the perfect scenario presents itself to start. That's not gonna always happen. So if you really want it, Glow Getters, just start already. Start right now. If you only have 1 out of 10 things you need to start with that one. Start with what you have, and you will be surprised to see how far just starting can get you. Just start already, because starting is progress. If you don't start, you are at level 0. If you start and it's not as successful as you want it to be, then you can move up to a level 5. There is still growth. There is still progress. And if you start and it is successful, you can go all the way up to level 100. Do not discredit starting. Yes, you might start and everything goes wrong, but no, you know what not to do to make it go wrong. You know what to do to make it go right. Just start already. It's not too late to start. Do not let anything limit you. Do not let your circumstances, do not let your age, do not let other people's opinions limit you. If it is something that you want to start, Glow Getters, go ahead and start. Let's take the actress from Black Panther. She started acting at age 88, and many of you know her from a hit show. Now, everybody's journey won't blow up like that, but she could have said, I'm too old to start, it's too late. She didn't. She started with what she had. She started where she wanted. And look at her now. She's an actress at her age. It doesn't matter what happens in life. If it's something that you really want to do, just start already. It's not going to be easy. I'm here to tell you straight up, it's not going to be easy, Glow Getters, but it is going to be worth it. Taking the first step of your glow up journey is hard, but it is going to be worth it in the end. You are going to feel so much better that you started, and you might not be able to start with a big bang, but start with what you have. Start with who you are. You are the biggest part of starting. Our mind will hold us back sometimes. Oh, I want to start a healthy journey. Start with 1 push-up. Start with 1 jumping jack, and then get to 2, and then get to 3. Just keep building, keep growing, keep developing. You never know where you're gonna go in this life, but in order to get where you want to be, you have to start. Even the biggest businesses had to start with 1 office. Even the richest people in the world had to start with earning small. Don't discredit the small beginnings to get to the big goal. Just start, Glow Getters. What is it that you are hesitant to start, Glow Getters? Comment down below and let us know. We encourage you today to just start already. Start with what you have. It won't be perfect, but that is life. Every day, every hour, every minute, every second is an opportunity for you to start and keep going on your glow up journey. So I hope this video encouraged somebody to start something today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Comment down below something that you're planning to start. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with somebody who needs to just get started today. Thank you so much again. Glow up and see who you can be. Until next time, Glow Getters. Bye. Start.